Hi, welcome to this edition of EdTech Shorts from VSTE and Unison EDU. I'm Emily Heller from VSTE, and I'm here today to talk about the power of emojis. Did you know that you can use keyboard shortcuts to add emojis anywhere you can add text? It's true, and it's easy. You can use the window and the semicolon key in a Windows device, and the Control, Command, and Space keys on a Mac device to add emojis almost anywhere. Let me show you how it's done. Here's an example of a Word document of a tech update I've sent out to my faculty. I'm talking about teacher laptops here, but I'd like to add an emoji to make it more eye-catching. I'm going to press Windows semicolon, and up pops the emoji window with lots of choices. You can see my favorites. There's faces, people, celebrations and objects, food and plants, transportation and places, and symbols. You can also type, and it'll try to find an emoji to match what you're typing. So I'm going to insert the laptop emoji here. And that's how you can add an emoji to any Word, PowerPoint, Google Slide document. Another great option is to add an emoji in the headline of an email. I'm sending out an email to remind my staff that we have a PD today at 3 o'clock. So I'm going to press window and semicolon and put in a little emoji that helps me say announcement. Use the megaphone. Another great place to use emojis is in the title of a calendar invite. The emoji will show up on your attendee's calendar and bring attention to your event. Windows semicolon, and I'm going to do a red flag for this PD calendar invite. You can even add emojis in your chats for virtual meetings. I'm in a Teams meeting here. Windows semicolon, bullseye. I can hit send, and it sends a bullseye to everyone in the meeting. Another great way to use emojis is in your LMS. My division uses Canvas, and you can see here that I've created some PD modules, and I'm using emojis to signify the type of items. A film icon shows a video. A paper with a pencil shows a lesson or an activity that teachers need to complete. Emojis are a great attention catcher for students as well. So have some fun harnessing the power of emojis, whether you're working with colleagues, teachers, or students. You can make anything more fun with emojis.